Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok on any iPhone and on any Android device, and I've updated this video for 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions while you are watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I try to reply to every single comment. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know that. So what you want to do to actually add multiple accounts on TikTok, you can basically do two things. The first way is a little, make sure you stick until the end because the second one is actually going to be way easier. But all you gotta do is click on the three dots at the top right corner, then go down from settings and privacy to add account right here, and you can click on add account. And I don't really have a second account, so I can just sign up right now for one. The second way to actually add an account, which is way easier, I didn't see it in any other video, you just click on your name at the top and click on add account. It's very simple. And you can click on, for example, use phone, email, username, email, and add whatever random email you would like. For example, I'll just sign up with a random one. Right here, sign up, use phone or email. What's my birthday? For example, I'll select some random one here. Next, I'll sign up with an email, some random one. Hotmail. Next, there's a verification. Doing that real quick. Success. Some quick pass that I won't save at all. Okay, that's too much. 8 to 20 characters. So we can have one and some of this. Oh, it doesn't let me. Okay, next. At last. You create your username, you click on sign up, and now we're in. And as you can see, we can easily switch in between the two accounts. And yeah, I really like the username. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, because each like gets us a few more views, and we are uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value. And I know you might have some questions, some concerns, some problems while you're watching the video, so comment them down below, because I try to get back to every single comment that we get. I want to see you in one of the next videos.